Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our school activities spotlight, where we highlight the meaningful events and experiences of Bayugan Adventist Learning Center Incorporated. These activities reflect how our school nurtures not only academic excellence but also character development and a strong faith in God. The school year began in June 2025 as students returned to campus filled with excitement and joy. Classrooms came alive once again as we reunited with friends, met our teachers, and embraced a new beginning. During the first few days, we reviewed classroom rules, set goals, and prepared ourselves for a year of learning. Most importantly, we offered our gratitude to God for the gift of education and for His continuous blessings upon our school. On July 25, we celebrated Nutrition Month. This activity reminded us of the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Students actively participated in presentations and programs that promoted proper nutrition, encouraging everyone to eat more fruits and vegetables. We were also reminded that our bodies are temples of God and that taking care of our health is part of honoring Him. On August 27, we celebrated Buwan ng Wika, a vibrant and meaningful event that highlighted the beauty of the Filipino language and culture. Students proudly wore traditional Filipino attire and showcased their talents through poetry, music, and cultural performances. This celebration strengthened our appreciation for our heritage and reminded us to take pride in our identity as Filipinos. On August 30, we observed Adventist Education Day. This special occasion emphasized the value of Christian education. It reminded us that learning goes beyond academics. It includes spiritual growth and character formation. We thank God for a school where we are guided not only to gain knowledge but also to develop a closer relationship with Jesus. On September 12, we held our first recognition day. This was a moment of celebration and encouragement as students were recognized for their hard work, dedication, and academic achievements. It inspired everyone to continue striving for excellence and to give their very best in all that they do. From September 15 to September 19, we experienced our week of prayer. Throughout the week, we listened to inspiring messages from the Bible that deepened our understanding of God's love. Through songs, prayers, and reflections, we were encouraged to strengthen our faith and to walk closely with Jesus in our daily lives. On September 30, we celebrated Adventurer and Pathfinder Day. Students who are part of these clubs participated in various activities that showcased their skills and teamwork. These programs help develop leadership, discipline, and a spirit of service, values that are essential in becoming responsible individuals. On October 3, we celebrated World Teachers' Day. This was a heartfelt occasion where students expressed their appreciation for the dedication, patience, and care of our teachers. Their guidance continues to shape us into better learners and individuals. On October 29, we held our United Nations celebration. Students dressed in colorful costumes representing different cultures around the world. This activity broadened our understanding of global cultures and traditions and reminded us that despite our differences, we can live together in peace, unity, and respect. From November 23 to November 28, we conducted our Children's Crusade. This was a deeply meaningful spiritual event where students listened to Bible messages centered on Jesus and His love. Through songs, stories, and lessons, we were encouraged to grow in our faith and to follow His teachings in our daily lives. On December 17, we held our year-end program. The school community gathered to celebrate the blessings of the year through songs, dances, and special performances. It was a joyful occasion shared by students, teachers, and parents as we gave thanks to God for His guidance and faithfulness. As the new year began, another week of prayer was held from January 12 to January 16, 2026. These allowed us to start the year with renewed faith and commitment. We were reminded once again to trust in God, to read His Word, and to live a life guided by prayer. On February 12, we celebrated Family Day. This fun and meaningful event brought together students and their families through games and shared activities. It strengthened the bond between home and school and reminded us that families are a precious blessing from God. As the school year came to a close, we held a series of special events to honor our graduating students. On March 27, the consecration program provided a solemn moment for the graduates to dedicate their lives to God. Through prayers and messages, they were encouraged to place their future in the hands of Jesus and to walk faithfully in His path. On March 28, which was a Sabbath day, we held the baccalaureate service in the morning. This sacred gathering gave the graduates time to reflect on their journey and to thank God for His faithfulness throughout their years in school. In the afternoon of the same Sabbath, the tribute to parents and teachers took place. This emotional program allowed students to express their heartfelt gratitude to those who supported, guided, and sacrificed for them. It was a touching reminder of the love and dedication that helped shape their journey. Finally, on March 29, we celebrated the graduation ceremony. This marked a significant milestone in the lives of our students. Diplomas and awards were given, recognizing their achievements and hard work. It was a proud and joyful moment for students, parents, and teachers as we celebrated success and looked forward to a bright future ahead. All these activities show that Bayugan Adventist Learning Center Incorporated is more than just a place for academic learning. It is a place where students grow in faith, build strong character, and learn the value of service. Through these experiences, we are prepared not only for success in school, but also for a meaningful and purposeful life. Thank you, and may God continue to bless us all.